Welcome to the Department of Materials Management Quick Tutorials, working with Excel files. From our homepage on the MCPS website, you'll find links to help you order, find schedules, answer FAQs, all through the year. But during the early ordering period, we have all the links on one page called Order Me Now. Whether you're working with contract summaries, the warehouse catalog, or supply lists, you may need to navigate these documents in Microsoft Excel. When you select a summary, list, or catalog, it will download as an Excel file. Clicking on this file launches Excel. Searching. To search for an item, open the Find and Select icon in your top tab. Choose Find and type in the search term that you're looking for. For instance, in office and school supplies, if I'm looking for a pencil sharpener, type in that term and choose Find Next. And there I do see a result here in the warehouse that we carry. The item number is in the far left column. You can use this item number to immediately get that item in FMS, or you can send it to the person in your school who orders for you in FMS. If I choose Find Next again, I'm not getting any further results, and yet I know we have more sharpeners on this list. So I'm going to reduce my number of search terms, delete pencil, and find sharpener. There I see we do have an electric pencil sharpener. It's not in the warehouse, but it's on this bid list. So that means we have a vendor that supplies this to us, and it's available through the main general store in FMS. Simply copy and paste the description from here to FMS to find this item, or give this description to the person who orders for you in FMS, and you'll get the exact item that you're looking for. Sorting. If you open our warehouse catalog, you'll note that it's sorted by warehouse item number. But if you wanted to browse a category of items, you can look through this category column to find what you are looking for. But if you want to narrow it down more and just browse for one thing, you can sort the item description so that it is alphabetical so you can find what you're looking for. These little triangles are pull-down sort menus. So under item description, if I choose Sort A to Z, if I'm looking, for instance, for crayons, I can scroll down to crayons, and I'll see every item that we have on this list. Also note that the item numbers that appear in blue and underlined are links to images. Clicking on those item numbers will give you an image of that product to help verify that you've found the right product that you want. Printing. To print some of our contract summaries or bid lists, you'll find that they may not act the way you expect them to. For instance, if you select art supplies and you simply open it and print it, notice how you're only getting the first top rows. You need to then go in and indicate to Excel what rows and columns you want to print. Starting with the upper left cell, click and drag to the last cell that you want to print. In your top tabs, find the Page Layout tab. Under that, you'll find Print Area. Choose Set Print Area. And now Excel knows what you want to print. File Print, and you'll see that you have all the pages that you want. Other Excel files might include all of the cells, however, they're still not printing the way you want them to. For instance, art equipment. If I go File, Print, I see that I have 10 pages and I have all of my rows, but I'm missing my last column, which is printing alone on the last 5 pages. The quickest solution for this is to choose the Scaling tab on the bottom of the column. Open that, choose Fit All Columns on One Page. This will shrink your text enough to fit everything on one page across. If, for instance, it's too much and you don't want to shrink that much, you can select your print area and then go to Page Layout. Make sure that is your set print area, but go to Print Titles. Here you may find that your margins are just too wide, and that by reducing them, you'll be able to print preview and see that you have all these columns fitting now, even if there's no scaling. These are just a few tips for working in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for viewing this tutorial.